Alright, afternoon guys. Hey, yeah, just decided to pull these out of the solution that we had, and they've come up pretty good. Even that really cranky one, that isn't too bad. Still pretty slimy on the inside, same with the other two, but yeah, that's not bad. First time ever trying it, so boom, done. So I think I'm going to probably put some black paint on them. I mean, they're not the best, but my first goal is not to restore the car, it's to get it running. And really, I only really pulled them off to change the pipes out. And when I saw they were looking a bit rough, I thought, well, I'll sort something out, make them last a little bit longer. So, yeah, I'm going to get the pipe on and, well, first of all, I'm going to spray paint them, then, yeah, probably get them back on the car. So just before I started painting and getting ready for it, I just looked over and saw the old brass bit there. I'm like, I wonder what would happen if I gave it a bit of a buff. I did buy a couple of buffing sets for my drill, so yeah, let's give it a go. Not coming up too bad, actually. Who knows, I might have a shiny part on the car yet. I'll yeah, keep going and show you the results. Alright, well, this will be interesting. One camera. Oh, look at that. I can actually see what I'm doing too. Excellent. One box. Thanks, HelloFresh. It's a budget operation. And a can of engine black. So, whoa, that is thick. Well, that goes on real thick and real heavy. Let's see if I can spin them around. That's a bit better. Maybe thick in some spots, maybe light in others. We will let it dry and go for another coat. Strip there. I probably shouldn't be doing this. Blacker, excellent. Maybe just a stripe down the guts too. Beautiful. Could be worse, could be better. Black pipes. Alright, well that was really messy. Like, to tell you the truth, that was terribly messy. But I have a shiny part on the car. Look at that. Brand new, shiny, with new hose. Everything looks good. You might be asking why I'm doing funny little things like this when there are other things that need doing and issues. It's pretty much to train myself up. Get me some skills and just get myself moving forward on the car. Because I'm sure all of that and stuff like that and that are all going to be issues in the future. So yeah, since this video has been a little bit short, how about we end up with a story. That this car might have a very pretty front, but that's not its headlights. Its headlights are bigger. Those are tractor headlights that look the part, so have been put on the car. This was done a long time ago. That is the real headlight. Now unfortunately, there be only one. So that is kept safe and sound on the top shelf, away from everything. Everything that could potentially break it. So one day, maybe I might find a second, and I might get that on the car.